In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics into Google Tag Manager. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your analytics tracking, ensuring you gather all the necessary data for your website. Let's dive right in. First, we need to prepare our GA4 Measurement ID, which is essentially the key to connecting Google Analytics with your Tag Manager. Head over to your GA4 account and navigate to the Admin section. Once there, look for the Data Streams option and select your web stream. Right at the top, you'll see the Measurement ID, which starts with a GE. This is very important, so make sure to copy it accurately, as we'll need this in the upcoming steps. Now that we have our Measurement ID, it's time to create a GA4 configuration tag within Google Tag Manager. Start by logging into tagmanager.google.com, then open up the container you want to work with. Next, go to Tags and click on New. You'll be prompted to configure your tag. Here, select the Google Tag option, which corresponds to the GA4 config type in GTM. In the Tag ID field, paste the Measurement ID you copied earlier. Be sure to double-check that you've pasted the ID for the correct stream, especially if you have more than one listed in GA4. At this point, you're given the option to set some advanced settings. You can configure options like cookie flags or customize user properties if needed, but if you're not sure, it's okay to leave them as default for now. Next, you'll need to set up the triggering. This determines when your tag will fire. A simple and effective choice is to select all pages or, for a more advanced setup, go with initialization. All initialization events trigger. With that done, your setup in GTM is complete, but we're not quite finished yet. It's crucial to preview your work before making it live, so let's move on to that. In GTM, click on the Preview button. This will enable Tag Assistant, a handy tool that allows you to test your setup. Enter your website, URL, and then click Connect. What you're looking for here is to ensure the GA4 tag fires on each page as you browse through your site, which you can verify in the Preview panel. To make doubly sure everything is working smoothly, head back to GA4 and check either the debug view or the real-time reports. These will confirm that hits are being received as expected. Once you've validated that everything operates correctly, it's time to make this tracking live. Simply click Submit and then Publish in GTM. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager, and your website is now ready to track data effectively.